Since the day you came into the school, you've been looking for my trouble. I mean, what do you feel like? What do you think you are? You've been all over the places. Are you okay? Are you mad?
My question is, who gave you that name, Tracy? Because Tracy is a name of dog, animal, place, or things.
Wow.
It can't be a name of a sensible human being.
You're stupid. Eh? You're stupid. You're foolish.
What just happened? It's okay.
It's okay. Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with you? Are you stupid?
I'm asking you.
Did you just hit me? No. Come on, try me now. Try me. Look at this. What do you want to do?
Who is now the boss? You should learn how to respect yourself in this school. Else. Release the mad dog. Let's go. Thank your stars. This one is my city character. If I bring out my village character for you, you will go blind in a second. Girls, let's follow. Stupid girl. Because I decided to fight in this school, you think you can toy with me? No, imagine the girls. Imagine the air punch. See, if not that decided to be cool in this school, if I bring out my village part, man like, the man like.
But don't cross the boundaries. Don't cross the boundaries. Don't cross the boundaries.
She is ready. You can tell him to come. Just tell him to start coming. Yes. We have packed her bags.
See, no bag is packed. I'm not going anywhere.
She's the one talking. Don't mind her. You know her way. She must
wait, Adama Agakwa City, Adama Agakwa City. City bukonye cho kwamo.
Start coming.
Okay.
Okay. Ngwan.
Mama, kwakwara onwe gi ugwu. Kwakwara onwe gi ugwu maka obi mgbawa. See, the only thing that will make me leave this village is my dead body. If you kill me, ichoku otilo. But for me to be alive, where we rukuma na Abojebe City, mmeku ya.
Ndoma.
I'm not going.
My word is final in this house. You must go to that city. You cannot kill me before my time. Your dead body. Going out to your dead body. You must go to that city.
I'm not going, no. Mama, I'm not going to that city. You know I'm your only child. Because if I kill myself, you're a motherless baby. You don't want the babyless. I'm the only baby you have. So you have to appreciate me. And if anything happened to me, Makachi, you will miss me.
Just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Ejibungi before. Are you a human being? Okay,
I'm not a human being. I'm not a human being. Okay, I'm an animal. One animal in the city.
Oh, are you a human being? If you are a human being, you must go to that city. You cannot kill me before my time. A man boom before my time.
Who is this one first that is driving me?
What?
Welcome.
What is going on here?
I'm not ready.
There's no problem.
I'm not ready. I'm saying it so that everybody will hear. If you are here to take me to the city, see, I'm not going anywhere. I don't want to go to the city. That is my own. I'm not going.
Noma, I want to have a word with you.
I want to have a No, Gigi Bruno, you can't
For the last time, I said I want to have a word with you.
Have a word with me about what? About my life?
I don't want to use military hand on you. Let me have a word with you.
Hey, Oga, I dare you. No, Oga, I dare you. You want to call military for me as what? Maybe you get 2 division. Call military. Oh, this place looks like a 3 division to you, okay? You want to call military. You're not even ashamed of yourself. This is how you useless your power. If you know you are a solid soldier, you're supposed to be in Sambisa Forest. No. You understand? You'll be there holding all these bandits, all these armed robbers. So you not go there, pack here, and I caught you. Now I call bullshit. Oh, you want me to be scared of you? Me? Norma? So you want to make up? I'm that important. I'm powerful that you make up a whole onyami like you. I don't keep fake onyami. See, don't try me. No identity. See your beard. See your head. Shoe. You want to? You could not even borrow ordinary soldier costume. Oga Belu. Make what ya? If you put body, you go collect. And I tell you the truth, you go collect what. You tell a normal about it. You made inquiries. Toys, stupid man. You want to bundle me like a toad.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm not going to city. That you need make up. Think I'm scared of you.
Sean, sir.
Please don't call.
All correct, sir.
Don't call, please. She's my only daughter. Please.
All correct, sir.
Please, don't call them. Don't call your men. She's my only daughter.
A bloody civilian, sir.
Hey, bloody civilian. She's the only daughter I have, or the only one I have. Forget the fact that she's stubborn. Please. Nah. Thank you very much for this thing you're about to do for me. I pray that God will bless you definitely, because I can't thank you enough. Madam, apart from here, you know that he is a military man, and I have given him every right to deal with you if you mess up. So anyhow you behave, he will treat it.
Mama, there is nothing like that. She's actually going to the city to enjoy herself. Yes, I'll give her the best. So, there's no need.
So,
meanwhile, Mama, I will tell my sisters to send you some money. Yes.
There is no need sending money to me. Carrying my daughter along with you to the city is enough.
No, Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Alright? What class did you say she is?
Oh, okay. SS1.
SS1. Okay, beautiful. When we get to the city, she will continue with SS1.
Because I'm just respecting you. I feel they can disturb us. See, anything that will take me out of this village is to the city, and once I get to this is SS3 sharp. Backward. Because I already planned with my principal here, and she said because I'm very smart and intelligent, that I'm articulated, that I can write my work from SS1. Now you want to send me back again to sender.
Back again to sender. No, don't mind her. When you reach there.
It's okay. You know, I've always wanted to come to my mother's village to pick someone I can train. Thank you very much for releasing her to us.
So bad. And I know that the next time you will visit with her, by that time all the obanjes will go away.
Definitely. Don't worry, she's a bloody civilian. By the time we get to the city, she will calm down. All she needs is just a military touch.
If this is the touch you want to touch me in the city, I will not go. Because anything military touch is killing. And I cannot die before my time.
Nobody is going to kill you. See, I want you to surprise him if you go to the city. Just let people over there see the good side of you. Forget about your rudeness, your toughness.
Oga soldier, you will miss me. Teacher, me miss Oga on a booth.
Like I said, I'll tell my sister to send you.
Let's see Oga military. Nana, Casey Falls, again, MSK. Very soon,
It's okay.
I will not miss you.
no problem.
Just go to the city and be useful to yourself. Forget about me. I will be fine without you. Eh? I'm the ondo. Go! Carry your...
Everybody come and see you
Wahala.
by
Carry it
yourself.
and go to...
Namaste.
Let me rest. Hey!
Plenty. She know that. That's what sense the worry. Sense not the worry. Keep my high blood pressure. No more.
Hey! You will not kill me before my time. God will bless you, Kelechi.
What happened? You know that
Asa. Hey, mama. Enjoy.
Hey, baby girl. I call you, they make them more. Which one is something they worry?
I don't understand.
You don't see your fine boy.
When this one start?
You don't see fine boy before for your life. Remember they call you, they do it. I want to help you, they do anyhow. I think your eye don't clear. Yeah? Your area mama now don't leave you go overseas.
What did happen?
You dey craze? I dey follow you dey talk. You go dey thank God say I dey follow you dey talk because wetin I get for mind for you today, eh? Wetin I get for mind for you today. Na so you get am, na so me get am for mind. You dey talk to me anyhow? Yes. You dey talk to me anyhow? I follow man now. Anyhow he be, may him be am. Wait oh, who dey give you mind? Who dey give you mind? Don't travel. Your backbone don't come out. You not get backbone. Okay, I be backbone by myself. Talk again, make I hear you. Talk now. I said talk, I hear you. You mad? You dress. You don't know why they call me one. Okay? You mad? Huh? See ya. Pass now. Do like pass. Yeah, only one step. And I'm here you go that problem. Yeah, you go that problem. Yeah, you go that problem. I said go back. Hear me. Come on, sleep. Don't be like this. 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 Don't be sorry. What will you do? What will you do? Don't be like this. Please now, don't be like this. Give me my school bag. Give me my school bag now. Don't be like this. Yeah, school bag now.
Don't make yourself comfortable. Miss me much.
If I don't miss you, who will? Welcome home.
This is the girl I told you about.
Okay. Hi. Come here. Okay.
Remember everything I told you?
I remember.
Her name is Noma.
Okay.
Alright, let me go and freshen up. Okay?
Okay, baby. You can make yourself comfortable. But why doing that? Come, let me show you your room. This way.
Okay?
He's ready.
Okay. What about Noma?
She's in her room. I went to call her, but I overheard her talking on the phone. And she was telling the person that her mother sold her off and she's in a horrible place. Can you imagine that?
Sold her out.
That's what I heard.
Alright, I'm coming.
I'm right behind you.
I've been calling you. Didn't you hear your name? I'm asking you.
It's not by force to answer.
Your auntie is waiting for you. She prepared something really good. Go and eat. And maybe you both can get to know each other.
What if I don't want?
Then you remain hungry until you want to. Now listen to me, Norma. Your mother wants the best for you. And that was why she took her decision.
Okay.
You can say whatever thing you like. Just like I said, your mother wants the best for you. And that was why she took you out from that village.
The cooker, where is the food? Where is the...
You will address her as Auntie Ngozi, Auntie Ngo, or Auntie NG, or better still, just Auntie. I will not have you address my wife by her name or refer to her in a demeaning way. I won't take it.
What I'm saying is, the cooker, hope she cooked good food. I don't know how to eat nonsense, so. Makafo is sao. Auntie Ngo, Auntie Teresa, Auntie Nkechi. Afom, Kamumba. Auntie Ngo.
Help her wash the plate. I said go and help her wash the plate. That's what a young girl like you should do. Always render help.
Uncle, I told you. So I know that money that you sent to my mother that day is for slavery. You people want to turn me to a slave. There's slave trade going on in this house, oh. There's slave trade.
If I hear your voice again, one more word from you now, I'll kill you here. I'm sure you're a smart kid to know that your mother did not do any of these things you accused her of. Jesus Christ, are you this ras? Now listen to me. You see in this house, you must wash plates, you must clean the house. I mean, you must do all the house chores. Because you are not blind to see that my wife is heavily pregnant. What is wrong with you?
Does it mean she doesn't do anything?
She doesn't do anything. Her mother virtually does everything. Hey, you can't do it in my house, okay?
No. Mama, that's not nice. I was made to understand that your mother and my mother-in-law are age mates. They actually gave birth to us for us to help them at the old age. Come on.
You. It's okay. I know a better way to handle you. You're too small. Honey,
Sweetheart.
I need to take my leave.
Okay.
I miss you too much.
Have a great day.
You too. You. Soon I will be left with no choice than to put you in the guard room. Bloody civilian.
You need to change. For a young girl like you.
See, I said this thing, nobody should stress me. From day one that I came, I know that you people stylishly brought me here to turn me into a house help. I cannot do any house chores. I cannot do it. If you want me to be your house help, I'll tell you how much you pay me in a month. I'm free of charge. I got one pot.
Gladys. Gladys, come back here. Okay. Gladys, I've told you that I have no money. I have no money.
You have no money? Hey, God. Ojuku, when you came to marry me, remember you told my parents you are a professional math teacher, right?
I'm a professional math teacher for good 19 years.
Hey.
Good 19 years.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? 19 years. Get 19 years without achieving nothing. Eh? What can you boast of? You don't have 5,000 in your account. Eh? Like, God will never allow my daughter to get married to a pauper like you. Yes. Yes.
Okay. God can never allow me to be poverty as you think.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, I don't know why I ended up with someone like you. Eh? I don't know why I ended up with a man like you, Ojuku. Yes.
Muabo, Ojuku. You got everything now?
Ojuku. Do you think you're strong? Do you think you're strong down there?
Hey! Gladys Emalo.
Ojuku, I need money. Give me my money.
Hey!
Give me money.
Gladys, leave me alone.
I'm not leaving.
Gladys, leave me alone.
Huh?
Hey!
So others are getting married to Odogu. I ended up with an Odiegu. Ojuku, give me money. Give me money, Ojuku. Give me money.
Hey!
Give me money, Ojuku.
Give me money.
Hey! Useless man. Useless my ape. How did I even end up with you? Ugly man. Nakodi. Ape. I don't even know why I ended up with you. Ugly man. Hey. Oh, you come back here. You come back here. Short man.
That land, we need to do something about it, because they are raising the amounts now, and there are a lot of people lining up for it. You see, because with the 500 million that we asked for, they have approved it. But the issue is now there are people that are coming for it with higher amount, so we need to tie it down as soon as possible.
Yeah, I think you have a point. Since people are coming for the land, why not make a bigger offer? The land is 500 million. We can add it 10 million. So that you can sell it. Yeah. I know they won't reject it.
I think the problem with those people, the sellers, is the money. Like the money. A lot of people are coming for the land because of where it is situated. Now, I feel the best thing to do is, instead of making it a 500 thing.
What? Okay, please, hold on, I'm coming. Alright? Yes, I'm coming now. Honey, hold on, I'm coming. Oh, Jesus. Guys, please. I have to go now. It's very urgent. I have to go now.
What do you mean you have to go now?
It's very urgent.
Come on, bro, you only just called.
You remember the girl I told you that would be coming to stay with us? My wife just called me now that she locked her inside. And I know how scared my wife can be being locked inside. Please.
Why would she do something like that?
I don't know.
That means we will continue this meeting without you or what?
You guys know me now. I don't have any problem. Whatever thing you agree on, I'm down. Please.
Just got you. Run along like that.
I'll see you guys.
Where your drink? So like I was saying before, you need to put a call across to them as soon as you can. And tell them we're offering them 550 million. I think that would do.
That's much better. That will keep it. That's much better. This 510, I don't think it will fly. Because you know where the land is.
There's the location. So we need that line.
Norma, you're not a child to know when somebody loves you and when they don't. Come on, I'm related to your mother. You've never seen me before. The first time we met was the day I came to pick you from the village. And I know I've been nothing but nice to you.
What if I don't want the niceness? Before you're nice to somebody, you can join the person or niceness because I don't understand. You just bundled me out of the village. She's a stubborn girl. Let's teach her a lesson. What can she do? Did you ask me if I really want to be here? Did you ask me my commitment, my entanglement? Man, no, guys, passa. You don't care. You come, you bring Bute City. Now I'm here in the city doing nothing. I don't understand it. Oh. Do you care about my friends in the village?
What life exactly are you talking about? A life of tormenting everybody in the village, including your mother who loves you so much.
Oga Soldier, did I torment you? The answer is no. Did I torment your wife, Antingo? The answer is no. So what is all these things? See, I know your plan, oh. We can see a four like this, or they can better, or they can go one mugumba. My brain is active. You see, your wife now is pregnant. Auntie NG is pregnant. And I know you people are looking for somebody that will come and be washing. See? I can't do any house chores.
You see? This is where you get it wrong. Your mother told my mom a lot about you. How you keep causing trouble in the village. They said you needed a father figure. And that was where I came in.
And you are the father figure?
Of course.
No, ma. Before you came here, we already loved you. Come and sit. Come. Please. Come. I was once like you. That's why I'm able to understand you. It took the intervention of a stranger to change me. I hated myself for no reason. But here I am today. I don't want you to make the same mistake. That's why I am telling you this. Please. Please. Change. For your own good. Do you know how to cook? Wash? Clean?
You are coming out small. I said it that you people are looking for house help. I am not ready to be anybody's house help. I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to wash. I don't do all those things. I don't know how to do it. I don't want to know how to do them.
So, what will you then teach your children when they grow up?
Yeah. I'll make money now. Look at no cocoa. My husband will have money. We'll have money now. Bring maid. Why would my children be suffering? All those rich men, you think their children used to cook and wash? Yeah. Just to watch television and go to school and go to vacation. Enjoyment galore.
So, how would you feel if your children go out every day and bring this kind of, bad behavior report from the outsider?
Oh, you're already wishing me bad. Husband, I have not seen you. Children have not started having you. I'm now wishing my children bad. If I say back to sender now, they can insult you.
Norma, we are not wishing you bad. God forbid, I will never wish you bad. But that is what you are doing to your mother, your own mother. But don't forget, what goes around comes around.
Exactly.
Honey, let's go upstairs. Honey,
think about it, okay? It's for your own good, though. Okay, guys, you give me a chair off now.
That's why I don't have their time. I don't have their time in this school. And anyhow, are you the person why you busy?
I believe you.
Oh my God.
Bato!
Bato!
I trust you. Who they shot my name? Who be that? Wait, now you dey come out. Now you dey shot my name. What the shop? Why you come dey shot my name for what happen now? You get mine. You get mine. Go report me for principal. Now why you dey shot my name like that?
Bato! What's what?
Because of this, they shot my name. Make I tell you too. This one are they talk nonsense. One are they do like native foul. For not to do any here now, and you make I tell you where. You know they collect. No they point them. Don't make me vex.
Nobody anyway. And no way where they kill somebody.
You don't feel do anything. You don't feel do anything. I mean they talk up. You don't feel do anything. Okay, now me go tell principal say now you break that ceiling for JSS2 class. Because now what you talk, you say you go carry stone, go break that ceiling. And see where you talk am. So now me go tell am. So what you go do?
Pato, you know why? You know why I love you? You know why I love you?
That's what picking me this now. That's what picking me this now. That's what picking me this now. That's what yeah. I want to know. Make I tell now. See, on I just do any here now. Eh? If una make me verse now, it rain go fall. Okay, wait again, me. I said, if una make me verse, rain go fall.
I pass my never generator. It's in my aka.
Okay, my target is small.
Let's go first.
I said, but no, I'm gonna come back here. Come on, now what you be that? What you the solve?
Wait, you push me. If you like say you want me to carry this stone, then
Your money now 23,000 naira.
Okay, everything is complete.
It is complete.
Okay. See, as I reached my shop today, I found out that the money I kept in my bag, 50,000 naira, is no longer there. So I suspect that my daughter took it before I came to the market. So just allow me to go home with this. I'll go to my shop now, carry my bag and other things. I will go home, bring that money from my daughter, then I'll bring it to you. Bikono.
Don't worry, ask your daughter for access. So if she give you the money, you will come carry on. No, nah. Pikin go give you the money, then you'll come back, come buy the things. Because me and not be charity house. Because this is making not too much. Wait, I'll let you.
Please, see, as I talk to you now, I no get anything for my shop where I go sell tomorrow. Just allow me to take this thing. I'll bring the money to you. Bikono.
I beg you, no concern me. I don't get headache before. No act when I'm a beg. Carry your wallet and go.
This one at 20-something thousand. No, the money I'm telling you about is 50,000.
Make I hang my leather. If you talk finish, you carry your wallet go.
It's not fair. It's not fair. Beg your sister now.
They go now. Every time. Beg. What's your wallet be this one? Because of I open this shop. See that? Imagine every day she go come they beg. I know because I open this shop. You know as I tell so far open this place, you come open this rubbish. I beg that woman I say me go back, and come now.
have to come and pay my bride price, though. I can't have this child out of wedlock. My parents will kill me, and the whole villagers will laugh at me and my family.
Haba. See, you are too young to be thinking about marriage. Why will you just decide to stock down with someone who cannot even give you the best?
What? After promising me all the whole world, including marriage, I told you it was something that I was not ready to do before marriage. Because I'm from a Christian home, but you insisted and made me believe in love with you. You must marry me, oh!
Should I Professor? So
Right on, Mama.
Yekeri, Mama. I am in the spirit now.
Right on.
To send you people message from heaven.
Right on.
Anyway, sungun anyway neweru nabiwe. Ala were ma
jim.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Pato!
Jim.
Hey! So you copper that was sent to school to come and discipline us. Now she's pregnant for you. Your mother sent you to school to come here and learn. Mba, it's a rupees so copper. Now you're pregnant. But let me, as a child of God that I am, I want to make a promise. And this promise, I like you. I will make sure that I will tell the principal.
Yes!
Should I ride on?
Ride on, Mama.
Should I go?
Go, Mama.
Should I
Professor. Hey!
After I've told principal, it did not end there. By surprise, your mom will hear it. After I've told your mom, Igwe must hear it.
Yes.
After I've told Igwe, was your meeting? Don't cry. Everybody will hear because if it's me, no matter what. So congratulations. Abasa class Sharon Gagariba Pato one name Abasa class Sharon Gagariba Ola Tonye
Kapakanato
Ola Tonye
Kapakanato
Ola Tonye
Kapakanato
Sharon Ola Tonye
Kapakanato Asambudu
Abasa class Sharon Gagariba. Hey Papa Kulanu Papa
Ronaldo Messi
Lano get you channel your inner Ronaldo.
Bole.
You are one by one. Hey, this life is Jesus. What is it?
You are asking me what is it?
I'm on my own. I see be on a kumkum, on a low level. In a person slippers. Why are you throwing this thing on me now? If not that you are my mother, you go collect. It's Yoku. It's not that your mama that pick all those.
Who took the money I kept in my bag? Who took it?
Your bag. Do you have money? I don't know. How much?
50,000 naira.
So in this house you have 50,000 naira. Where are you going? Did I not tell you that I need some money? Can go to phone? Can so in your hand and make we own him no call. What did you do? My mates are there using big iPhone. Give me 45,000 naira only 45,000 only. Let me use it and buy phone so that I will enter Facebook. If I enter Facebook, I enter TikTok, buy a CB, now borrow content, now Lego. What did you do?
No, ma, that 50,000 is the money I want to use to expand my business. You know, some more phone. What are you going to do with phone? Who took it? I
don't know where your money is, so I did not take money. Did you give me your money? No. Did you give me your money by a CB? Did you give me your money?
No, man. How many are we in this house? How many?
I don't know. Maybe only Spirit.
What is that vibrating in your bag? Shima! Noma! You stole my money. You used it to buy phone. Akuya?
No, I will not take it from you. Makachi. If you say stole again, Makachi. How can I steal your money? I'm a thief. You are my mother. You are my mother.
As you said it, you have already stolen my money.
No.
Why would you?
Calm down. It's already bad and it's very poor. But in Kekate, you will have money in it. Give them some money. Can't see around a phone. I
told you that 50,000 is the money I want to use to expand my business. Now you will hear just one phone. What am I going to do?
Don't accuse me wrongly. I did not use everything to buy phone, Makachi. I used some to buy phone, buy my boxers. Then I bought banana and some things. I did not use all. Don't say that I use all. That's a lie. And you can't lie against me. See, let me tell you, you are very wicked. If you are not wicked, you would have said, take money and buy phone.
Hey! Shimo, what have I done to deserve this? I asked for a child. Why did you give me this kind of a child? Eh?
Why are you talking as if I am disappointed? No, why are you talking as if God had not given you to me, by now he got on a Sabbath and now I be preaching. On action, they were preaching prayer while you see. But because God loves you, he gave me you.
You will not kill me before my time, Norma. No, my mom won't before my time. Eh? Can you be your problem?
Wait, one can tour down by a CV now.
You got to go down.
What can tour down now? You have to go by a CV.
Norma. Norma. Okay. You will go and come back. You will see what I will do to you in this house. You will see what I will do to you in this house. Eh? The money I want to use to expand my business. This girl I want to go look phone. What will I do with phone now? Am I going to eat phone? Hey! Hey!
She know they get it at all. Not too much sense they worry. No more. They give me my high blood pressure. No more. No man, no they get it, cha-cha. She know they get it. Not too much sense they worry. She know they get it. They give me my high blood pressure. No more. No more. Anyway, she's a man woman, no. Chai, even some men they fear her. No man, no they grieve anybody. Nothing where she wants, she must do her. Chai, I'm all a bonye mancha. If he mama, they collect them, wuto. No man is on your wadamo. If I chalo connect. Stubborn girl, no man, no they kill cha-cha. Very stubborn, not too much sense they worry. Mama, when you were, they give mama high blood pressure. No more, no more. No man, no they kill cha-cha. She no they kill at all, not too much sense they worry.
When did you come back to this house? Norma. Eh? When did you come back to this house?
Why did you pour water on me now? You know I slept outside and you're still being mean to me. You're still being wicked to me. I better mad on my own. You can't force it now.
Why won't I pour water on you, Norma? Look at my body. Look at it. Look at where mosquito bite me last night. All because I was outside waiting for you to come back. Eh? All because I was running around for you, waiting for you to come back. This morning I had to wake up early. I went around the village looking for you. It's only Wakego that told me that you left the house 1 a.m. this morning. Why would you do such a thing? Have you forgotten that you are a girl? What if something bad has happened to you?
Something bad in this village? How? It's not possible now. I'm not a baby.
Eh?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm an adult.
An adult? Norma, How did you even manage to come into this house? Because I locked this gate. How did you manage to enter here?
Nah, K4 now. KZ4. Question and answer is too much now. By fence now. I had to jump fence now.
Hey! Mama, you jumped fence. A girl like you. What if the vigilante has seen you? What if they shoot you a gun? What will I say?
Oh, Diego. Oh, dear, which vigilante? Okoro and his boys. That Okoko that's been asking me out to change Jennifer Monjo. That one. His boys will now come and capture me as I'm robber. I'm Mezoshi.
So you don't know the consequence of your actions?
Wait, the consequence. Please allow me. You asked me to you chased me away. Come la hola biko. Allow me. Let me relax myself here.
Mama, you want to sleep?
Oh, I want to rest now. I did not sleep in the night.
You won't follow me to the market? You get some gun at my shop.
Your shop again? I thought you say you don't have money. I thought your money had finished. I've used it to buy food. Did you have?
Oh, this is your plan to ruin me and to run my business down. I'm faster and smarter than you. I had to go and clear some bushback for some people. They paid me money and I invested it in
see. Something that just happened yesterday. Now you have cleared bush land. See, it's a lie. It's a big lie. I know you have money, but you like to be stingy. I know you have money.
Oh, you say your mother is a liar, where?
Sorry. Let me just sleep now. I didn't sleep yesterday.
Let me go to the shop. If I come back and meet you sleeping, I will pour you not only hot water, but acid on you, so that this your face and body will be damaged.
No, let me go. No, but
let me go and come back.
It's me or no one.
Let us see what will happen.
Thank you for pouring water on me because I'm a CP now. You have already bathed me, so no need to bath. No problem. Please, I hope you did not lock the door. Ordinary phone, I can't go. You know I met us. I was in Nazura go go to motor. Marry rich man, give me money. Give me Bato ife bara ba go.
Pum pum.
Ife bara ba go.
Pum pum.
Copper fire they go.
Borokotom.
Copper fire Sharon.
Borokotom.
Eburu bago. Iye bara ba go.
Pum pum.
Iye bara ba go.
Pum pum.
Copper fire they go.
Borokotom.
Copper they pressure on fire.
Borokotom.
Hey,
Borokotom.
Eburu bago. Iye bara ba go.
Pum pum. Pum pum.
Shebi you say you go marry me.
Pum pum.
Copper you say you go marry me. Mburu bago. Baby fire they go. Copper fire they go. Sagadiye bara ba. Prisma. I can't go fire.
When I live out, did they fall? Now you give out the now the one where I get the level for Copper Where's Copper Dele?
Sir, I heard that he traveled last night.
He traveled last night?
Yes,
he ran. Come, wait. Carry her.
Copper liver.
Carry her, let's go.
Principal liver. Now come in the fall.
Come on, hold on now.
I said, carry her and carry the girl.
Any student will carry bere for teacher. Now wetin?
Paco! You get loco. If you let me do this school, you go die. You go born the pikin for spirit.
Everybody come and see you by yourself. No más trouble. Plenty. No dey kill cha. She no dey kill you.
What did I do?
Well done. Clap for yourself. Everybody go.
Mama, I don't understand. What did I do wrong now? So, you are expecting me to hide evil? I cannot, oh. As a child of God that I am 100%, if I see any evil, one evil or rosebo, I cannot be hiding people who are pretend and doing the most in the secret.
I did not ask you to hide evil. But such news, such things, there are ways to handle it. Not this way. Eh? You would have told your mother about it. I would have known how to break the news to the mother than this way. Now the woman is devastated. And you know she's a Christian. She's the women's leader in the church.
All those people that claim to know Jesus more than Jesus, they used to raise hoodlums.
I know. But had it been you told me, we would have known how to catch that useless copper. Now, have you seen it? Eh? You foretell me.
All this ikalagwam. Okay, if I told you now, I will take a canopy before we tell the mother I'm going to give me. Okay, I don't understand it. She's pregnant out of wedlock. Is that she's pregnant out of wedlock? You people want to hide Sharon because it's Sharon. The whole village will scatter because already everybody saying she's a useless girl. And before you know it, she will not amount to anything. Now, that's one now that everybody, she's a good girl, Sharon, this. By pretense.
You will not be pregnant out of wedlock.
See, that's because you don't appreciate me. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to 100 over 100. You don't appreciate me. Because okay, fast rock, man, I'm now. Guys, they tell me every day. They love my way, they love my style because I don't want to carry factory fitted. And I am like this. I'll just say no, I don't want because I know what I want for myself. Yes, I know. See the way I am. I don't know all of those guys, Fatty Johnny Fem. So now you are proud of me.
I'm proud of you. But for roughness and imagono, I don't want you to be. But God, I thank you. At least on that your former. But you would have told me, eh? That woman is devastated now. But Sharon, hi! These pretenders, they always do the worst. Of a mencha. Who would have believed this?
Hi! Oh God, that Igwe is very wicked. Very wicked man. God will punish him. Oh God.
And you are what? What are you? You are very good. Are you not wicked your own?
Mama, please, I don't want noise. All my body is paining me.
Let it pain you. Eh? I asked you to go and buy me paracetamol because I'm having headache. Instead of you to go and buy it, you choose to fight with who you don't know.
Did you want them to just treat me anyhow? I have to defend myself now.
You defended yourself and see where it landed you to. Eh? Have you seen it? What have I done to you, Norma? Eh? At your age, you chose to live a wild lifestyle. Doing everything like you want. The whole villagers, they are all avoiding you because of the kind of lifestyle you live. Nobody wants to associate with you. What did I do to you? Where did I go wrong? Eh, Norma? Tell me. Look at me. At this age, I'm the one going to the stream to fetch water. Water that both of us will use. When will I ever, enjoy the joy of motherhood? I have seen other mothers that raise their children by themselves without their husbands. The relationship is not the same as ours.
You did not raise me well now. You did not raise me well.
I did not raise you well.
Mama, see all these things I'm listening to is because of this thing that happened to me. On a normal, do you understand? It's not because of this condition. You know, cause mbumbu, now cause trash.
Oh, cause mbumbu.
Sorry.
Na cause mbumbu.
Hey, oh, you just want cream on your meme, yeah, no.
Norma, what did I do to you? How did I wrong you? Eh? Norma, It's only both of us in this house. Yet we are living like cat and dog. If there is anywhere you know I'm not treating you well, tell me. Let me make amends. So we can live like mother and daughter and have that good relationship.
Oh, basket now.
You are haunting my soul. You are haunting me. You want to send me to my early grave.
Mama, sorry. Bazia,
my sister, thank you for coming. How are you and how is everybody?
Everybody, they are all fine. I came for my teaching training and I decided to stop by.
You and this your teaching work that does not give you time at all.
My sister, you know I don't like being idle. I don't like being idle.
That's very, very important and necessary. Me that have the whole time, ask me what I do. This girl that God gave to me, this girl is disturbing me. See, Norma has become a pain in my neck. Do you know what happened? She went to the palace yesterday. Ask me what to do.
What? To do what today?
Cool down, let me gist you. I actually asked her to go and buy paracetamol for me because I was having headache there yesterday.
Okay.
So on her way, she said she met one girl that was inside one car that the girl insulted her. Instead of her to go and buy the paracetamol, my daughter traced the girl to Igwe's palace where she parked. She deflected the tires. Now ask me, who is the girl in that car? Igwe's niece. So Igwe asked them to beat the hell out of her.
And where is Norma now? Kebon?
Norma is inside the house. She is in real pains. As we talk, as we speak now, she cannot sit with her boots on. She can't sit down because of the pains. This girl naturally she wants to kill me before my time. Honestly, see, upon that, do you even think that this girl will teach her a lesson? Because that my daughter only take and that.
She will learn the hard way.
Are you here?
She will learn the hard way.
That one?
She will learn the hard way. She has no choice.
She has been bringing bad names to this house. She even forgot that she is a girl. My daughter does not behave like a girl. She behaves like a terrorist.
Wham! I have an idea.
What an idea? What?
What if she goes to stay with Kelechi, my son?
Your son?
Yes, Kelechi, my son. Kelechi will help her clip her wings and cut off those excesses of hers. Kelechi will be a father figure in her life. I know that Kelechi is not her father, but she needs a father figure in her life. That will help.
See, I know my daughter very well. She is very stubborn. I don't want to put my problem on your son's head. We are sisters. My daughter, she doesn't hear at all. I
will take her to Kelechi.
Okay, what about the wife? Would she accept my daughter?
Ngozi has no problem. As long as I am the one asking her for it, she will do it.
Shout out to the world mother-in-law. The best mother-in-law. You are very, very lucky, my sister. You married early and you started giving birth early. But look at me. I married late. And yet, the only child that God gave me is what I don't know. He gave me what I don't know. I don't understand Norma at all.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Are you hearing me? Don't allow that bother you. Don't let it bother you at all. Inano?
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much. At least I'm relieved now.
Everything is fine. Kelechi will soon be coming back.
Yeah.
Yes, Kelechi will be coming back to see me. But one thing, don't let her know.
Not at all.
Don't let your daughter
tell
know.
her.
So that when Kelechi comes back, he will come and take her. You know? That's what you will do. Okay. If Norma goes with him, who will be helping with the house chores?
My sister, you don't even know what is happening in your sister's house. As I am here, I'm the one doing all the house chores.
You see?
I clean the house. I cook. I go to market. I fetch water from the stream. I wash our clothes. I do everything in this house. It's as good as she's not here. So I'm used to doing the house chores. So it's better for her to go. I'm okay. I will be fine. You said you don't want anything.
I don't want anything. Just give me a cup of water. Let me take.
Let me bring it.
Everybody come and see you by yourself. No more trouble. Plenty. She know that not too much sense the worry. Sense it on the worry. Keep my high blood pressure. No more.
But Cheregodo, am I really that bad as everyone is saying? I doubt. Must I even greet everybody? Why can't elders greet me? Why must it be the other way around? Must I do house chores? I do not like to get my hands dirty. Nne has never complained about it before. I do the way I like. She knows I don't like all this housework. She seems to be very okay doing them. She's a strong woman. So, what is everybody's problem with Norma? These people only want to turn me into what I've never been. These people should allow me. They should allow me to live my life. They should allow me to choose how I want to live my life. They want me to be their maid. Something I was not doing in the village. Now man walk. So.
Very stubborn, not too much sense the worry. Mama, when you were, keep my high blood pressure. No more, mama. No man, no they kill each other. She not.
Really? Where is that noise coming from?
Is that not Norma's voice? That girl on a craze, so.
After a wonderful discussion with her, one would think that her silence meant that she would come around.
Sweetheart, that girl is going to be a hard nut to crack. But trust me, we must crack her. We must. Let's just ignore her and sleep.
It's okay. She's just a bloody civilian.
I'm telling you.
Is this girl going crazy?
Gladys, where do you take my son to?
Did you say your son or
yes,
our son?
My son.
Okay. I took him to Onisha.
To do what?
To do boy now.
Boy?
Sales boy.
A boy of 15 years. Boy. Are you sounding normal?
What do you expect now? Eh? Since you stopped giving us money for food, what do you expect? I took him to where he will learn how to sell drugs. Eh? So he won't end up like you, low budget math teacher.
You say low budget math teacher?
Yes.
Huh?
Low budget math teacher.
Gladys, Nkita lachaganya.
Yes, sir.
Nkita lachaganya. I give you 2 days to bring back my son. Else, okay.
You can do nothing. Nothing.
I can do nothing.
Nothing. My mates are getting married to Odogu.
Gladys, is that because of our condition? Huh?
What condition?
Gladys, I'm giving you 2 days to bring back my son. Else,
hit me now, useless man, ugly man. See, my mates are marrying Odogu. Eh? See me, I am married to Odiegu. Odiegu, ugly man. See, you see this marriage, eh? It's for better, for worse. Eh?
For better, for worse?
I am going nowhere.
Gladys, this marriage is for better. For worse, I don't even
know the road to my father's house. That's it. We die here.
Hey. Huh?
Useless man.
Huh?
Short man. My God, oh, Gladys. You fucked up. Eh? Hey! Manaya deba. It's my fault.
Okay, first of all, I want to appreciate you for your intentions towards this girl. But again, I want to know, how do you feel strongly about helping her?
Pastor, it's a very long story. It all started back then in the village, when I was much younger, probably her age. I used to be very stubborn. Everybody hated me back then in the village, including my own family. One day I went to the market and purchased a rat poison. I went to the neighboring village. I attempted to kill myself. But then Unoma's mother showed up. She called me. As a very young child, very stubborn then, I would have rejected. But I don't know what came over me. I answered her. She spoke to me in a very good manner that no one else has ever done that. She convinced me not to commit suicide and told me to forget about all those things. She took me back to her house, cooked a very nice meal, which we ate. And she taught me how to make that meal. I left, but I kept on visiting her. She kept teaching me things I didn't know, how to cook nice meal, wash, keep the environment clean. Above all, she taught me how to pray. She told me that the Bible and prayer was her only consolation. Because she didn't have a child back then. The villagers mocked her. And she told me to hold God very tight. That whenever I'm down, I should pray, read my Bible, and I'll be fine. I did all of that until I left the village. And we lost contact. As God may have it, we reunited during my marriage. That was when I realized that she was related to my husband. When my husband told me that she wants to bring her daughter, I didn't relent. I didn't object to it. I knew her mother was very helpful to me when I was in the village. And that was it.
The Lord is good. Thank you, Jesus. I can now say the reason why you decided to do what
what you did. Again, I'm going to urge you not to relent, since the mother taught you how to read your Bible and then pray. The question I want to ask you is this. Is this very girl, is she aware of the same story you're telling me now?
Not at all, Pastor. Not at all.
You will have to tell her. That's how it works.
I will, Pastor, but at the right time.
That's good. That's good. I like that word. Let us pray. In Jesus' name. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Our Lord and our God, we thank you for this moment. We thank you for the life of your daughter.
Very stubborn. At one sense they worry. Mama, when you were, give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, 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 no they give jaja. She no they give at all. At one sense they worry. Mama, give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, Mama, no they give jaja. She no they give at one sense they worry. She no they give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, Mama.
Sure, sir. Hey, sir. Will you go and open the gate?
Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, sir.
I said go and open the gate.
Yes, sir.
Sleeping on duty. Bloody civilian. My friend, open that gate. Sure, sir.
Very stubborn. At one sense they worry. Mama, when you were, give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, 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 no they give jaja. She no they give at all. At one sense they worry. Mama, give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, Mama, no they give jaja. She no they give at one sense they worry. She no they give Mama high blood pressure.
Bloody civilian. Sleeping on duty.
Sorry, sir.
Who's playing that music?
Transparency na her own. Even the devil don't dey fear am o. But if you want job, that man no dey gree at all. He dey give Mama too much wahala. Everybody come and see you by yourself. No más trouble. Plenty. Mama no dey gree jaja. She no dey gree o. Na too much sense dey worry. Sense e don dey worry. He dey give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, Mama, Mama no dey gree jaja. She no dey gree at all. Na too much sense dey worry. Mama, he dey give Mama high blood pressure. Mama, Mama no dey gree jaja. She no dey gree. Na too much sense dey worry. She no dey gree. He dey give Mama high blood pressure. Mama.
Are you mad? I'm asking you, have you lost your senses? Norma!
Stay Sweetie, please. Welcome, Uncle. Welcome, Auntie.
If I hear that welcome from you again, you see what I'll do to you.
Left for you, you say we should not come back. What's wrong with you?
You see, let me tell you. All my life, I've never laid my hands on a woman. Not even when I was still in the Nigerian army. But you see, you think you're stubborn. Oh, you think you're stubborn. Don't worry, don't just worry. I will deal with you. Damn brother, I will show you that you are still a baby. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Hey, Butuo.
And let me tell you, we found a new school for you. You'll be getting ready to go to school tomorrow morning. I don't even want to wake you up because it will be very horrible. Nonsense.
Butuo.
Let me hear one word from you again. all this civilian?
What's your problem? What is it? Norma. Wait, ba. Wait, ba. Norma. Ba now. I've never seen my husband this angry. If you bring out that thing you're looking for, be ready to take it. Better respect yourself. Oga ba. This is one of the reasons I don't want to come to this city. This is it now. Everything is a crime. Ordinary dance that I dance, I did not steal, I did not beat anybody. Just by who I be. Mago, now they are angry. Maybe they want me to go to burial before.
Please now, Gladys. Please now. You not 8 months. You denied me my right. Yeah? Please, even if to go in and come out for 2 seconds only, please. Please.
I'm not in the mood.
Okay, I will put you in the mood. Because I will put you in the mood.
That is all you know how to do. Put me in the mood. I am not in the mood. See, my bone is very dry right now. It is very dry.
Gladys, I will make the bone to rise again. Even the Bible said that the bone shall rise again.
The bone shall rise again? Okay. If you want my bone to rise, Ojukwu, give me money.
How much are we talking about?
50,000 naira.
Only?
So.
50,000 naira?
So. Can't bring the money first.
Because not no.
Can't
Go sit down now.
Can't bring the money first.
Leave
me alone. Can't bring the money first. Leave me. Can't bring the money first. The money first. What they go?
Gladys, just can't you move belly?
Say I blade to money first.
Gladys, what I'm begging you, just can't you move belly? In, out, or just like that.
Ojukwu. Mba. Money first. 50,000. So. 50,000.
Hey, Gladys.
Ojukwu, leave me now. Ojukwu, leave me. Ojukwu, leave me.
No man no dey gree at all. They give mama too much wahala. Everybody come and see you by yourself. No más trouble. Plenty. No man no dey gree, cha-cha. She no dey gree, not too much sense they worry. Sense it on the worry.
If you do well, you meet Ojukwu. And if you don't do well, you end up with bole. That is my own. So it's better you do well.
Mama, no man no dey gree, cha-cha. She no dey gree, not too much sense they worry. She no dey gree, they give mama high blood pressure. Mama. She's a man woman, no. Jai, even some men they fear her. No man no dey gree for anybody. That is where she wants, she must do her. Amara bonye manja.
Oh, Mami Ken. I've told you they have not paid me. Huh? Oh God. They haven't paid me.
He's not picking. Shameless man. Why will he pick? Papi Kena. See,
my mother refused giving me food. How is it my business now? Eh? Do I care? Am I the one paying you salary? See, I do not care whether they pay you salary or not. No. Listen first. Listen. Papi Kena, listen. I don't care. Better send me money or this house will not contain both of us. Now, send the money now. I'm very hungry. Listen. 19 years, that money. Is that one achievement?
She know they giddy at all. Not too much sense they worry. No more. They give mama high blood pressure. No they giddy cha-cha. She know they giddy. Not too much sense they worry. She know they giddy. They give mama high blood pressure. No more. Transparency na her own. Even the devil don't dey fear am o. But if you want chop that in between her legs, chai, she must match you. No man no dey gilly cha-cha. She no dey gilly at all. Na too much sense dey work.
You're a bush girl. Just pray you don't find yourself in my class. Pray they don't bring you to my class. Else I will show you pepper. Pepper! Well, I am Quinty. I run this school. But don't worry, you will get to know me better. This school will be very sweet too. Oh yeah, top and is interesting. Nice rubbish. The way I'm looking at this school will be sweet though. Okay.
So sorry. Did that girl stop you?
Which girl?
That girl that work out now.
I didn't see anybody. She's inconsequential. Are you okay?
I hope the thing is going well.
Yes, sir.
Stubborn girl, no man no dey gree cha-cha. Very stubborn.
Where are you coming from? I ask you, where are you coming from?
So you know it's late.
I ask you, where are you coming from? Do you ever think of anyone else except yourself? I'm asking you. We've been worried about you. Your auntie told me that you haven't returned. I left everything I was doing at the barracks straight to your school. Getting there, they told me that you're not around. I ask you again, where are you coming from?
Sweetie, take it easy now.
Norma, I said, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Take it easy now.
I ask you again, where are you coming from?
Sweetheart, take it easy now. Eh? Please.
Norma, where are you from?
Honey, are you okay? What's wrong?
I'm having a sharp pain.
Sharp pain? Sorry.